So let's try to open it. Ayun, part 2. So this will be the part 2 of reading NBA cards that just finished. So this number 6 siya. So natin siya. So wala lang yan. Sa top glass. Base cards, special cards, supersonic, max power, winner, rainbow masters, energy, new sensation, unbeatable, pure basketball. So top class, pure basketball, 8 cards. So let's rip it, open it up siya. So check na ulit. Sana makakuha tayo na maganda. First card, Keldon Johnson. Second card, Draymond Green of the Golden State Warriors. Third card is your third card, Dallas Maverick Lupa. Grant Williams. Si Grant Williams. Next card, what's that? Max power. Okay. Domantas Sabonis, Sacramento King. That's our hitters. Next card, Synergy. Suns, Kevin Durant and Devin Booker. Next card, Middleton. What's this? Chris Middleton. Winner, Chris Middleton. Then we have Bam Adebayo, base card, and we have, who's this one?